Okay, so you can see this expression over here. It's called an expression because there is no equal sign. So how do you simplify this equation? Most of you in the homework, okay, this is what you did. So you added 4, 4, 4, so you said that was 12. And then you just get the x, and then you did 2 plus 3 plus 1, x to the 6th. Unfortunately, that is not correct. This is not multiplication or division. The index rules only work for multiplication or division. Okay? So, if this was 4x squared times 4x cubed times 4x, then I can do 4 times 4 times 4, which will give you what? 64, and then x, index rule number 1, 2 plus 3 plus 1, and that will give you 64x. Oops, sorry. That will give you 64x to the 6th power. Okay? But that is not the case. This is your expression. Now, even though the variables are the same, they're all x, you cannot add this because the indices are different. So what is the simplified expression of this? Okay, it is 4x squared plus 4x to the 3rd power plus 4x. That's it. That's the simplified expression already. However, I want you to go one step further. Please order the indices from greatest to smallest. So, the final answer should be 4x to the 3rd power plus 4x squared plus 4x. Okay? Let's examine this expression now. Does it have like terms? Okay, now remember, like terms mean same variable and same expression. So, look at the way I circled this. How many like terms do we have in this expression? Remember, it's an expression because there's no equal sign, okay? So let's look at it. These two are like variables because they have the same, like terms because they have the same variable and they have the same index. These two are like terms because they have the same variable and same index, okay? So that means we can simplify this equation some more. So let me start with the first term, 4y to the 3rd power. Now, the second term is 2y to the 2nd power. They are not the same, so I'm going to put it next to it. 2y to the 2nd power. Now, let's look at the next one. Minus 2. Remember, the sign belongs to the next value, okay? Minus 2 or negative 2 to y to the 3rd power. These two are like terms, so I'm going to put minus 2y to the 3rd power over here. The last term is y squared. So these two are the same, so I'm going to put positive y squared over here. Now, just because it has no coefficient, does that mean it has no value? Of course not. There is a coefficient. Remember, we have an invisible coefficient, which is 1. Okay, so please remember that. So now we can add or subtract. Please remember, this is not addition or division, so you cannot use the index rules. This is plain addition and subtraction, okay? So, 4y to the 3rd power minus 2y to the 3rd power is equal to 2y to the 3rd power. The index does not change. This is not y to the 6th. It's not multiplication, okay? We are not multiplying the indices. Okay, so the next one, plus 2y squared plus 1y squared. So that means we have 1, 2, 3, 3y squared. Okay? Again, variable is the same, indices are the same. So what is the final answer? What is the final simplified? It is 2y to the third power plus 3y squared. Okay? There you go.